Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be putting on the GLAStR Easy Fit from Spigen on the outside screen of my Z Fold 5. I literally just finished the unboxing and pulled this out and am going to install it. I haven't even powered the phone on or anything like that. I want to get the screen protector on before the screen gets any fingerprints on it. So we're going to go ahead and do that right now. Let me just get everything out of the box. Whitestone Dome is sending over some stuff, so I will be reviewing their stuff as well, but I didn't want to buy it and then have them send it, so I did pick up one of these for now it is a 2-pack, so I can use these in between reviewing stuff as well. So it looks like there is that right there. They are on their individual application trays, so you don't have to worry about saving the tray and doing all that. Everything is by itself. And then of course we have your screen wipe, your cleaning wipe. See, there's one wipe there, and then we get 2 sheets of those, as well as a squeegee and a microfiber cloth. So we're going to get those out as well, and then I'm going to leave the other stickers in the box with the other one for later use. So here we go. Like I said, I just took this phone out of the box, so there's really nothing on it, but there are some dust specks on there because I was making the other video. So we're just going to go ahead and get that wiped down. Oops, I forgot to put the other wipe in the box, but get that later. Alright, I really do appreciate the fact that these wipes are quite large. Actually, I'm going to leave it folded just like that. I hate those little tiny flimsy ones that some companies give you, but Spigen gives you a nice usable wipe here so you can get your device wiped down. Whether you have fingerprints on it or not, I would use this alcohol wipe to clean it off. Just helps the adhesive and stuff like that if you have anything at all on your device. And then of course dry it off with your microfiber cloth. I think there's a speck of my cat likes to get on my desk and get hair all over it, so gotta watch out for that stuff. Alright, and then we're gonna take this dust removal sticker. Again, I appreciate the nice large stickers. Those tiny ones just take forever. By the time you get the dust off the screen in one spot, you have dust somewhere else. My biggest tip for installing a screen protector is make sure you have one ready to go on day one when you get the device, so you don't have to worry about cleaning off a bunch of gunk and fingerprints and stuff like that when your device is used. Always have a backup screen protector ready to go. We're going to go ahead and peel off the back layer right here, and then of course the bottom goes down here like so, top goes up there like that, and then you're just going to press. Give it a nice little slide like that. It says to wait 30 seconds. So we're going to go ahead and wait. Give that a little bit of time. Just make sure you get that all the way down so the screen protector can adhere evenly. I'm just going to do all this in real time. So if you want to skip ahead a little bit, I'm just going to wait 30 seconds. Alright, probably to give another 10 seconds here. And then we'll go ahead and peel it off. Alright, so just going to grab it from right here. Peel this off. That's going to detach this from the screen protector. And don't worry about those bubbles right there. That is not the actual screen protector. That is just the protective film. We do have some bubbles in the screen protector though, but that is what the included squeegee is for. So we're just going to work those out here to the edge. As you can see, they go away very, very easily. Just like so. No issues there. And if you're going to put a case on this, be very careful around the edges so you don't knock them up or anything like that. I would give it a little bit of time to let the adhesive set before you put a case on, especially if it's one that's going to snap over this. But there we go, nice screen protector right there. There's no bubbles under here anymore, no dust or anything like that. You can see the camera is covered as well. So very nice protector from Spigen there. Like I said, these are like 15, 20 bucks for a 2-pack, so you can't beat that. And they apply very, very easily with that tray. There's no guesswork, there's no lining it up, nothing like that. So got my brand new Z Fold 5 here, nice and protected right from the get-go. And I will have some case videos coming later on. Like I said in my unboxing, the S Pen case that I got was not available on Amazon yet, or it was out of stock. So I ordered it from Best Buy. It will be here tomorrow. So we'll be checking that out in a separate video. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, and as always, have a great day.